Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back again to today's video. So I'm planning to make a lot of things. I want to make soup, I want to make sauce, I want to make stew. You get? So I'm washing my proteins. Here is my omo. See the size. This is cow skin. The skin is very very huge. This kind of omo.
What is it? Cow skin.
It's cow skin, yeah. Yeah. It's cow skin.
What's a cow skin?
Cow back. This is the skin. Yeah. So it's so huge. You get. So I'm going to be using it to make my stew, my soup. I also use it to make soup. Stew. It's very very sweet when you use this thing to make your stew. You get. So and here is another one. Although it's three, we have one, we have this, and we have this. Yeah. So I'm going to cut it now. So guys, at this point, we are cutting our carrots. Would you? This is very very hard for me to cut. It's making it into veggies. Using veggies to cook. I don't get that strength. Baby, she for you. Okay. So come on, post it. Post. Udah. Gimana? Dah ajo ya dia kudu sing strong. Cannot eat it, bro. Neji. Viens, c'est fausse. That's more pepper that is inside leather.
Wait, don't pound that one. Don't pound it.
So cutting the carrots is late already, and I don't have any lights, no red lights, nothing. So I'm just using the sunshine. It's late already. I think it should be by 7 p.m. as I'm talking to you right now. So I'm moving fast. Okay? So keep watching, keep commenting, keep subscribing, okay? And keep supporting. Thank you everyone for your support. In these 2 days that I come back from strike, I can see everyone's really supporting me. I love that. Please keep doing the good thing and keep supporting me. Okay? I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So guys, our food is ready. Yay. So here is our sauce. So guys, our food is ready.